How to turn on LinkedIn profile view history. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your LinkedIn app and then head over to your profile in the top left corner. Tap on your name and then head over to the gear icon in the top right. Now, you need to head over to visibility, and then there you can see page visit visibility. Tap on it and then toggle on the allow organizations to see when you visit their LinkedIn page. So uh, when this setting is on, organizations will be able to see that you visited their page, and information from your profile will also be shown, including your profile photo, name, location, job title, and industry. So uh, come back and then go to profile viewing options. So here you can choose to select what others see when you viewed their profile, your name and headline, private profile characteristics, or private mode. If you don't want people to see your name and headline, you can just set to private mode, and this is what others will see. They will see it as anonymous LinkedIn member. Or you can go to private profile characteristics. So it shows someone at Kathmandu University. So if you want it to be public, then just set it to your name and headline and come back and scroll down, and uh, you can see something like profile discovery and visibility of LinkedIn. Just tap on it and then you can toggle this on as well if you want your profile visibility outside LinkedIn too. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.